How to fix Enhancement Tab Missing in Sound Setting. In this tutorial I will show you one method. It will fix your problem. You can see there is no enhancement tab in my speaker setting. Now I will show you how to fix this problem. First, open Device Manager. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Select your audio device and click on Next. Once done, restart your computer. After restart complete, check whether your problem is fixed. You can see my problem is fixed. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.